Hey there! Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Today, I'm diving into two key areas, mental and physical strength. Let's get started. First up, mental strength. It's not just about being tough, it's about resilience, focus, and a positive mindset. Here are a few tips to boost your mental game. Number 1. Practice mindfulness. Take 10 minutes a day to meditate or just sit quietly. Focus on your breath and let go of any stress. This simple habit can improve your concentration and reduce anxiety. Number 2. Set clear goals. Having a vision gives you direction and purpose. Break your big goals into smaller, manageable tasks. You'll feel a sense of achievement as you tick them off, one by one. Number 3. Embrace challenges. Don't shy away from difficulties, face them head on. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow and learn. Remember, discomfort is the currency of success. Now let's shift gears to physical strength. A strong body supports a strong mind and vice versa. Here are some tips to get you physically fit. Number 1. Consistent exercise. Find a workout routine you enjoy, whether it's running, lifting weights, or yoga. Stick to it and make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Number 2. Balanced diet. Fuel your body with the right nutrients. Eat a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, what you eat affects how you feel and perform. Number 3. Rest and recovery. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Your body repairs and grows stronger during rest. Aim for 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Alright, let's wrap it up. Becoming the best version of yourself is a journey, not a destination. Focus on building both mental and physical strength, and you'll see incredible changes in your life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on self-improvement. Keep pushing yourself, stay positive, and remember, you've got this. See you next time.